Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss the Black Sea Grain Initiative and why this particular initiative was in news. Now this initiative was set up to resume vital food and fertilizer export from Ukraine to the rest of the world. Now it was brokered by United Nations and Turkey between Russia and Ukraine. Now, the initiative allowed exports of grain, other foodstuff, and fertilizer, including ammonia, to resume through a safe maritime humanitarian corridor from three Ukrainian ports. Now, a joint coordination center was also established to monitor the implementation of the initiative. It is hosted in Istanbul and includes representatives from Russia, Turkey, Ukraine, and the United Nations. The United Nations acts as the secretariat for the center. Now let us see what is the procedure in this particular initiative. Now, firstly, the vessels wishing to participate in this particular initiative will undergo inspection of Istanbul to ensure they are empty of cargo. Then they sail through the maritime humanitarian corridor to Ukrainian ports to load. The corridor is monitored 24/7 to ensure safe passage of vessels, and the vessels on the return journey will also be inspected at the inspection area of Istanbul. Now let us see some of the important facts about the Black Sea because it is very much prominent in news. Now it is an inland sea between Eastern Europe and Western Asia. Then it is bound by Ukraine to the north and northwest, Russia and Georgia to the east, Turkey to the south, and Bulgaria and Romania to the west. It links to the Sea of Marmara through the Strait of Bosphorus and then to the Aegean through the State of Dardanelles. Now, you can also see this particular thing in the map itself that this is the Black Sea and these are the neighboring countries, these are the bordering countries, Turkey, this one is Turkey, Georgia, Russia, Ukraine, right? Now let us see the next slide. Now the main important issue here is why this particular initiative was in news. Now, the Russia has refused to extend the agreement that has enabled Ukraine to export grain from its Black Sea ports for the past year. They are complaining that promises to free up its own shipments of food and fertilizers had not been kept. Now, the deal was due to expire on July 17, 2023. Now, the reason is that none of Russia's requirement had been met. Now, which includes the resumption of ammonia exports through a pipeline leading from Russia to the Ukrainian port of Odessa and the reconnection of its state agricultural bank to the SWIFT international payment system. Russia had been saying for months that conditions for its extension had not been fulfilled. Russia also claimed that not enough grain is being sent to the poor countries, right? So these are some of the claims that have been said by Russian officials, and that is why they are refusing to extend this particular agreement. Now, this particular thing will mean the withdrawal of safety guarantees for shipping and disbanding of Joint Coordination Center, which we already discussed. Now, let's see the reaction of other countries, how they react to this particular decision. Now, the government, German government, will continue to call on Russia to allow further extension of the grain deal, adding that the conflict should not be carried out on the backs of the poorest on this planet. Then UK called Russia's decision disappointing and accused Russia of risking global suffering. Then European Union also strongly condemned Russia's move and dubbed it as cynical. Now, this was the reaction of the countries, and this was about the Black Sea Grain Initiative. Just remember all the facts related to this particular topic. Thank you so much.